What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. We were about to miss our flight. You guys might have guessed it at this point. The goal is only completion. So there are two types of races. What do you do?
How are you feeling?
What's up guys, what's up? Welcome to a new vlog. Coming to the airport again because we are flying to our dream destination right now. You know how every other creator says that they were late for the flight and they were about to miss. Cliche enough, but we were about to miss our flight. My phone was on silent. And they kept calling me. And for me, I thought if it's 7:20 flight, 7 is when the boarding starts.
20 minutes before. For almost 100 passengers.
The guy was
She
like,
don't listen to me. I tell her that we are late. Chill, it's not late.
but then, anyways, I am all chill. Even though we were late, I knew that we couldn't miss the flight.
Silent. The fucking thing that we all hate the most, that keeps our phone silent. Always. How many missed calls? 9 missed calls. If we had missed this flight,
Where are we
not
going?
mentioned yet where we were going. If we had missed this flight,
Rhythm took over the window seat. I think that's the punishment. But after Delhi, I'm gonna take the window.
and there'll be some more.
If it's empty, then I'm gonna go behind. You guys won't believe, for this destination, Sid kept begging me that I want to go here, I want to go here. I told him, Sid, to be very honest, I can't do my rent, my expenses, and then come on this trip with you. I literally had to deny him. He was the first person we told that we're going to this place. And he's like, I'm jealous but also happy for you. I love you, Sid. This one is not for you, this one is for me. But I'll make sure I'll take you here next time. Let me go first and see how it is. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
I can't believe we are in Ladakh.
You guys might have guessed it at this point that Rhythm and I are in Leh Ladakh to run a half marathon. And all thanks to Red Bull team for making this happen. The trip has not even started. I mean, it already started the moment we took off from Bombay, and we knew that this is one of the best flights you can ever be in. We still can't believe this is happening. Now can you finally handle what's happening? Can you digest the fact that you're going to run a half marathon in Leh Ladakh? Can you? Look here. Let the tears roll in. So I'm going to tell you guys what happened exactly. 2 weeks back, the Red Bull India team messaged me that would you like to go to Ladakh to run a half marathon? And obviously my answer was yes. Who can miss this opportunity? I told him that me and my teammate are all set to go to Leh Ladakh. Obviously I need Rhythm with me because he's the one who will help me to record, who's the one who's also going to edit, and I just need him because it's such a wonderful opportunity for both of us. He's a runner. In fact, he's doing his first road race half marathon. He did the trail one, but that was different. Trails are different, road races are different. So we are here on 3rd of September to get acclimatized. Our race is on 8th of September and today is the last day for the bib collection. They purposely keep the bib collection 5-6 days prior to the race so that people come early to collect it and they don't get the EMS. One thing which we were not aware about, that the prepaid SIM cards don't work here. You need to get yourself a new SIM card. Your postpaid works, and now Rhythm's gone to get the SIM card. I changed my outfit to go to the expo. I'm excited to go to the expo. Usually I'm not very excited to go and carry my bib. But now that people know me in the running scene, I'm excited to just see how many people recognize me at the expo. Picking up the bib for world's highest half marathon.
It's not the world's highest half marathon.
It's they say it is like you can say it, but the actual world's highest is the
Pangong Frozen Lake Marathon.
yeah. So excited to see what number do I get.
Oh, we don't know the numbers yet, na?
Yeah, we don't know what numbers we are getting. And Rhythm's never ran in half marathon, so it's his first time running a road race half marathon. He's done that trail, but that trail was fun. We don't even count it as racing.
It was not a race. It was not a race.
Even for this, like we're not racing, but yeah, we're going to make sure we have a great time. Ladakh half marathon, where the goal is only completion. So there are two type of races. What you do?
And enjoy the views.
And enjoy the views. Yeah. How do I feel coming in Ladakh? I feel all good. They say that the acclimatized hits you the next day. I'm good right now. We were feeling so sleepy. We're trying to control so that we could sleep in the night and wake up again in the early morning. We need to train our body now to wake up at 5 at least, or 4:30 in the morning.
5.
If the race starts, you can't wake up at 5 because you poop, you take bath, you put the pins and bibs and this and that. So you have to always wake up early. Rhythm. You need to understand that.
Satyavachan.
Yeah, I am that planner. Rhythm is like आधे घंटे में हो जाएगा सब चीजें. This is probably the coolest expo location ever. I don't think there's a better expo place than this. These are the mountains and this is the Ladakh Marathon 2024 expo.
Oh my god, I love them.
No matter how much speed runs you do, unless you get yourself an Oakley, you can't run fast. Yeah, guys, we've not had lunch yet. We've just had small brunch. And I've not even pooped, so I've been farting. Endlessly, yeah.
Like she's been giving mad farts.
I was literally thinking like should I...
once.
Shut up. One thing I've noticed at this expo is that people are really fit. Ladakh Marathon has different categories, which is 5 kilometer, 10 kilometer, half marathon, marathon, and then we have ultra races, which is Khardungla 72 kilometer and Silk Route, which is 122 kilometer at this elevation. We've been meeting a lot of people at this expo. We've met Santosh. Santosh is from Delhi and we've just having a good chat. Good runners don't talk about their PBs and timing so much, okay?
They talk about the
weather
first and then they would talk about weathers first and then the PB comes later.
Yeah, and the breakfast after that.
Yeah.
The breakfast is more important.
So we were talking about the Procam Slam, how he finished and how he ran the Kolkata in 143, guys. 143. Rhythm is shocked.
I'm shocked. So you're the 25 in 143 or 21?
21 and 143.
Okay, that is still
That was a PB.
PB, yeah.
So my son's running his first.
Yeah.
So and he's faster, unfortunately, but he's been running for the last 10 years now. So he started when he was 6. He's 16 now.
Okay.
So yeah, so he runs fast. So he's running his first thing. So he's looking at a sub 100.
Wow.
So now we're both training together.
Do you run together?
Yeah, train together.
No. Do you run races? Do you run races together?
Yeah.
So all the 10s, all the 5s are together.
And
so anything longer,
do you enjoy or are you competing with each other?
So we are enjoying. So there's a lot of chit chat about girls, studies, everything on the way. But there is that age. Wants to stay after the last 100 meters.
I'm going to be faster than my son.
120 is planning, imagine.
140.
140. 60 or 40. You're very bad with maths. That's why you can't do a pacing.
The Ladakh Marathon is quite popular between all the runners and it's there in their bucket list. And I never thought of running one because obviously it's going to be expensive traveling to Ladakh and doing it. And I had spoken to a few of the runners who've done the races here and they said that it was brutal but fun at the same time. So I'm just happy to be here. I mean, I know it's going to be tough, but if it was easy, everyone would have done running. And because it's a half marathon distance, I am not nervous. Like the 21.1 kilometers seems comfortable for me. If it was a marathon, without training would have not been a good decision. Half marathon is like a good intermediate distance for us, but you can't predict anything. It's on the elevation, less oxygen, so we have to take it easy. Yeah. Completion is the only goal. We have finally checked in a hotel. It's called the Chopsa Hotel Leh, and the lobby itself is so pretty. Can't wait to see the room. We've not even checked in, but we already love Tenzin. She's given us all recommendations.
List of things to do
Yeah.
in the market, near the market, things to buy,
What to
things
shop.
to eat, also cafes
What
around.
to eat with milk cake. People are so sweet here. They are so welcoming. Our driver Ahmed, even he is like just our friend now, we feel at this point.
He's like a puppy. Literally like a puppy. Yes, yes, okay.
He told us, eat in your restaurant only, don't go outside.
Oh,
It's
wow,
like-
okay. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
everyone really cares about you here.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, okay. ठीक है, ठीक है.
master है वो.
Thank you. There are no white lights, but the stay is gorgeous. Look at our bed. Look how nicely our room has been made. Please steal this couch. Now, let's do bathroom test. So, good morning, guys. Welcome to day 2 in Leh Ladakh. Yesterday we checked in late in our property, which was Chospa, and now I can see how beautiful the property is. We're starting with breakfast. Let me show you what all we have for breakfast today. I have picked up puri bhaji for myself,
Of course.
veg sandwich, cappuccino. That is your plate.
That does not believe in light breakfast. That does not believe in acclimatization. That does not believe that when you come to a new place, you should start in easy. Puri bhaji na bacho.
Then we have idli, which is sad right now, and then we have donut, one cupcake.
Donut, muffin, apple, watermelon, plum.
Red grapes,
but-
guys, red
yeah,
grapes.
red grapes and coffee. Is it mushroom?
Don't give me fruits. I need to have my puri bhaji.
We are not the ones who have that dire urge to always constantly just keep exploring local places. The moment we wake up in the morning, we want fresh food. Ready. Not go on Zomato, scroll things, find places.
I mean, it's just tiring to look in Zomato, look for reviews, this and that. But especially places like Leh, you don't go for Zomato. You ask people locally what it is. Red Bull has hooked up with, I think, the best property in Leh. Yeah, it's so gorgeous. It's so peaceful. Minimal. It's minimal. We'll show you guys around. I'm currently happy because I am consuming a lot of fluids. We have cappuccino, we have watermelon juice, and which was that fruit?
Seabuckthorn.
Sea buckthorn juice.
Yeah,
We did a little bit of research and we saw that like when you reach Leh for the next 2 days, you literally just have to rest because you never know when the AMS might hit you. You have to acclimatize and you need to drink a lot of fluids, right from ORS, water, anything. We woke up at 7 o'clock. Though I've slept like a baby, the bed was so good, so comfy. I did not feel like waking up. But today is the last day. If we acclimatize properly, then tomorrow morning we have to go for runs at 6 o'clock. We will be ready for that.
Yeah.
Be ready for that. I slept again because I've been taking this medicine called Dimox, which everyone takes. Nahin, one we'll have in the dinner
Okay.
so that you get acclimatized properly. I think that's the
Basically,
reason.
Diamox helps you with dizziness and all the symptoms with AMS.
Why do you think I bring Rhythm with me for my work trip so that he can give you the exact facts?
I am that autocorrect. That doesn't need Google, that needs me.
Yeah, I don't want Grammarly also. Rhythm is a
Look at the clouds,
Grammarly.
oh my god.
So now we've decided that we're going to have some good lunch outside and explore Ladakh and walk a little. Then when was the last time we went for a run?
My last run was Sunday. Yeah,
That was,
the run with the Navi Mumbai, that was the last run.
yeah. And now on this
We
Sunday,
haven't ran in the past 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Denson has recommended us multiple places. She's recommended us this famous pizza place in Ladakh. So we're going to have some pizza, then again walk back home. Right now we are facing difficulty while walking. There's a little bit of uphill, downhill. We are wondering what have we done in our mind by signing up a 21 kilometer. We spoke to so many runners, so many people have been here for the past 2 weeks. Now I understand why.
My nose has been constantly running.
Yeah. This is why they say that runners are crazy. They take stupid decisions.
Only stupid decisions.
Only stupid decisions. But great, we are walking. Yeah, I swear. Whew. Walking, vlogging, recording. Which we love our jobs. No complaints here. We had a difficulty finding this place because it is underground and it looks like a dungeon, but it smells really good. And I'm excited to taste the buffalo cheese here because here the buffalo looks very healthy. And obviously in the mountain area they are more, what do you say, healthy version. So yeah, the cheese, mozzarella. अब क्या है और कौन सी चीज़ है वो डिफिकल्ट है चीज़ नेम्स
buffalo,
Buffalo.
cheddar, yak cheese.
You all saying the easy ones.
Amul cheese is the best.
Amul cheese. I wasn't expecting the pizza to be so good. Right from the bread, how freshly it is made, the cheese and the toppings. 10 on 10. Not even kidding. This is the worst when you bite the cherry tomato and it's so hot.
How are you feeling?
Fuck that. Turning into twins.
We've been together for past 12 years. What do you expect?
Sometimes we both feel like, what is it between us? What makes us keep going? Because we fight so much, we argue so much. There is very rare things which
We
are
get
common
annoyed
between.
by.
We are get annoyed by each other so quickly.
Rhythm is so organized. I'm like opposite of that. Even right now,
Literally,
in the room,
our room was so messy. Dao was sleeping and I cleaned the entire room. But I could not stand it. And she's like, fuck it, I don't care. Look, it's a boutique hotel. The room is so nice. Why the fuck are you spoiling it? I don't care. I want to sleep. I have officially turned into a hotel guy.
yeah.
I used to be the one who was like, let's get a cheap hotel, let's go into a lodge, let's go into hostels, let's get cheap apartments on Airbnb or Booking.com. But now, after my old job, where I've traveled few cities in the country and I've traveled to those good hotels like
Which
the
was
Postcard.
the two-
Postcard is my favorite.
Postcard, which one?
Postcard in Nethavli in Goa.
Goa.
That has by far has to be my most favorite stay I've ever had. And Januma Retreat in Bhopal. Those two places have
Have
spoiled
spoiled
me.
you.
They literally spoiled me. Like after that, I cannot like and die sleepy. This might be the 100th yawn that she's taken today.
100th yawn. I can sleep anytime I feel. Like right now, I can take a shoulder and just sleep.
Apart from the night, the entire day she can just pass out.
But Rhythm has to
But in the
literally,
night she cannot pass out.
Rhythm has to literally remind me that this is not a vacation for you. This is a work trip, so you need to like record. You might feel like we are recording all the time, but we are not.